If you want to connect MailChimp to Nimble CRM, you can do it quickly using Zapier, and in this video I'll walk you through the full setup step by step. This is a simple way to automate your workflow so you can move data between MailChimp and Nimble without doing everything manually. It's perfect for saving time, keeping your contacts organized, and making sure your marketing and CRM tools work together smoothly. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Now, let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser and open your account. Once you're inside Zapier, click on Create. This is where you begin building a new automation. After that, click on Zaps, because a zap is what connects one app to another and lets actions happen automatically in the background. Now you'll see the setup screen for your automation. Click on Trigger first, because every zap starts with a trigger, which is the event that tells Zapier when to begin. In the app search bar, type Nimble CRM and click on it when it appears. This tells Zapier that Nimble CRM will be the starting point for your workflow. Next, choose an event and select any option that fits your automation needs. If you're not sure which one to use, pick the one that best matches the kind of action you want Nimble to detect. After selecting the event, log into your Nimble account so Zapier can connect securely and access the data it needs. Once that's done, move to the Action section. This is the step that tells Zapier what to do after the trigger happens. Click on Action, then search for MailChimp and select it from the list. MailChimp will now be the app that receives the data or performs the next step in the automation. After choosing MailChimp, click on Choose an Event and select the option that fits your goal. For example, you may want to add a subscriber, update a contact, or perform another MailChimp action, depending on what you're trying to automate. Then log into your MailChimp account so Zapier can connect the two platforms. Once both apps are connected, click on Build It at the top. This takes you into the final part of the automation setup, where you can review everything before turning it on. At this stage, Zapier will show you the full flow from Nimble CRM to MailChimp, so take a moment to make sure the trigger and action are correct. If everything looks good, click Test Run to make sure the automation works properly. Testing is important because it helps you catch any issues before the Zap goes live. If the test is successful, you're ready for the final step. Click on Publish to turn on the automation. Once published, your Nimble CRM and MailChimp connection will start running automatically based on the event you selected. And that's it. You've now connected MailChimp to Nimble CRM using Zapier. From here on, your workflow can run in the background and help you stay more organized and efficient. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.